So I found this picture pretty interesting on a science page anyway on Facebook. So I saved it and I wanted to show it to you guys. I made another video called Texas Skies that show something like this happening, but from a much lower angle at one of the lower decks of clouds. I don't know all the names of them, but I don't remember all the scientific terms. But the lower deck showed a prism one day where it like opened up like a portal and rain just started coming through it. Now that cloud is a fairly decent sized cloud, but look how much rain is coming from it. And it probably rained for a good minute. And to think how much water would be in that cloud for, it's just, I just think it would be too much. And I just want to hear other people's thoughts on this, that the amount of rain coming from that cloud and it just to be floating there in the middle of the sky doesn't seem logically possible. And what we're being told about science and what we're experiencing isn't the same thing. Now, if you have an easy way to explain this to me, I'd love to understand what's your opinions and thoughts on this. But my opinion is that's a rain portal and it's coming from the heavens. So please like, comment, and share. Tell me what you think. Cheers.
Thank you, Preston. Thank you very much. I added it to my video. This one here is Alex. Basically what they're saying is that this person here is a Russian hairstylist, cosmetic artist, fashion designer and singer, and they've appeared on quite a few things. Once again, I don't know what this is, but for a digital era this is very poor quality video where his hand becomes blurry and see-through mess. So we're just going to play it a couple of more times. Even his microphone does the same thing. If you look at the guy with the microphone and the guy with his hand waving around, you can see they're not in the same perspective. Anyway, thank you so much, Alex, for noticing this. And the point here is that the speeds everybody's going, and he can do that with a flat patch. I think if they were going that speed, it'd rip it off. But anyway, I just added this in because this person, I think, thinks it's, well, yeah. The bendy door. It's a bendy door. You would have thought by now that they would have made something that was a lot easier to close, wouldn't you? But anyway, thank you very much, person, for making this video. This is the House of Parliament. Christian and Gary, yesterday we had a hangout and I was talking about the Singer building, and it's just quite incredible how they were able to build all this, but we had horses and carts. And even the church, St Paul's Cathedral, there is amazing there, and there are a lot more bigger buildings there. So that was my point of this, is how did they build this? And it's quite amazing. And then I noticed, you know, like everything is like a grid, like a battery, everything. You know, you start zooming out and you see everything like battery. grid. Yeah, there it is. I lost the Houses of Parliament. And don't forget, they built it on the water, so they obviously had to build it very good underneath, otherwise the water would leak in. So they're able to have all that as well, you know, that technology. Can't just stick a few bricks up and then think, oh, that's going to last hundreds of years. So it's built on water, on the banks of the Thames. Well, I just think it's quite amazing. You know, you start running out of words, because how do they build it? We'd have mega problems building that today. And of course that beautiful church there, that's a bit like Notre Dame, the bits on the outside. Anyway, what's your thoughts? How did they build things like this then?